Alright, got this pretty old Kenmore made by Whirlpool. Let's see what she does. Either that thing's not turning or it's really quiet. Oh yeah. Yeah, bad belt. Sounds kind of scrapey. I'm gonna have to check that rear seal and the rollers. Easy one this morning. Hit that like button if you haven't already. And there's a subscribe thing down there. All right, Phillips head. And two. Yep, that's where the belt was at. 2 5/16. There it is. Not bad. Little juice. Blow out that motor. It's pretty normal for a dryer right here. All right, we'll slap a 341, 241 on there. Pow, pow. All right, that's mo better. That's no better. Ooh, and we got heat. Yeah, buddy. All right, biggin. They've been using these belts for a very long time. Ancient, like the 80s. 92-inch 4-rib belt. 341, 241. They changed the number on the 5-rib belt and wanted to charge like 40 or 50 bucks on the new ones. But you can use the Samsung. It's a 5-rib, 92-inch. So. But that's a video for another day. Now, we'll probably sand this baby up. Put a little Picasso on there. Thanks for watching.